Hey guys, I'm gonna be back with a nice, good Dollar Tree haul. And today, I'm gonna be doing the recipe dupes. Yeah. Let's unbox it. Okay, first up, Glow Up Revitalizing Serum and Pomegranate. Stop! My bad, that's my brother. Next, we got some Glow Up Serum. Stop! And watermelon. Next, we got the Glow Up Renewing Serum and avocado. Next, we got the Glow Up Smoothing Serum. I got everything. Soothing Serum. It's looking nice. Next, we got second to last? No, not yet. Next, we got the Glow Up Night Moisturizer. People usually get this in the like the big dupe. I got everything. Yeah, and it was like $10 for all of it. Just go to Dollar Tree and get you some. And then lastly of the serums, we got the Queen Glow Up Toner. Let's switch, y'all. And then I have to get more Carmex because I'm running out. So yeah. So let's do an unboxing. So bye Carmex. First, let's reapply.
Okay.
My mom and I are on the phone.
Okay.
Mwah. Give me peso. Mwah. Okay. So first, let me close my eyes. Oh, and I'm gonna keep this out because I already know. So, looks like we're gonna be unboxing this last one. The Glow Up Night Moisturizer. We're gonna be unboxing it last. So, my eyes are closed, and I had to change my glasses. I hope none of them broke. Because these are glass. Okay. First up, we got Glow Up Serum. And if you guys are wondering where I am, I traveled to Orlando, Florida.
We're not in Orlando anymore.
Then where are we?
I don't know.
Mom, where are we?
Kissimmee, Florida.
But we did travel to Orlando.
Okay, so we're in Florida. So we got the Glow Up Serum. So nice. Next, we'll put this over here. We got Glow Up Renewing Serum. Let's unbox. So pretty and memorizing an avocado. All right. Next we got Glow Up Smoothing Serum. Oh, we have to do the unboxing. So pretty. So pretty. Next. I think this is the pomegranate one. Let's see if I was right. Oh, booyah! So preppy. And then we got the queen bee herself. Yeah. And then we got the Glow Up Night Moisturizer. Oh. Now we got the big butt up. So there. Now go to part 2 to see me do a full face of skincare. Bye y'all. Part 2. Hey. Let's bring back the products. Oh, and we're gonna name them, okay? Shelly, Vermont, Beyonce, The Grinch, we're gonna name this one Outlet, and then this one Seed. I already forgot their names except for Seed. Oh, and Grinch. Oh! The trend is true. Wait. Alphaba, Glinda. Alphaba, Glinda. I'm a witch, and I'm a witch, but which is which, so it's a sitch. We were roommates back in school. Elfie's awkward, Glinda's cool. I forgot the rest of it. But here we are. So I'm gonna turn them around to me so I can see what to do first. Glinda's cool. No, 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 no. My bad. This is for nighttime. So it's the same tub as the real thing. They're so pretty.
I don't think so.
Wait, I think I'm doing something. Oh, it has a plug. I knew that. There we go. Perfecto. It smells like bubble gum. Hubba bubba. Nah, it smells like gum. Let's put the plug back in. There we go. Next. Oh, y'all are in a line? How put together? Whoa, I almost dropped it. Glow Up Serum. Oh, I'm spilling it out. So pretty. So pretty. Ooh, click cheers. Next, Glow Up Renewing Serum. So pretty.
The bathroom is the same size as the room.
So pretty. So pretty.
Not
Yeah,
Pepe.
girl.
Not Pepe.
I'm so sorry about that. Anyways. Please be quiet. Thank you. Next, we got the Glow Up Smoothing Serum. So many serums. Where's my last serum from? Where's my last serum? No. Let me know the order that these should go in so I can do it right the next time. But right now they're just in a single file line and I'm just going based off of what order they are in. So please comment down below what's the actual order. So pretty. So pretty. Next, we got the revitalizing serum. I don't know how to pronounce it. Ooh.
Flipping seamless.
Showing y'all that I got it on my face. So pretty. So pretty. So pretty. Lastly, Glow Up Night Moisturizer. I know I should be using this at night, but I'm not gonna wait. I don't know. I'm recording on my phone. Some hours.
We're gonna eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
This smells like Hubba Bubba.
Ew. What is that smell?
Hubba Bubba. So pretty. So pretty. Guys, when I get back to Georgia, I'm going to find some time to either go to Ulta or Sephora because I need to get perfume and Touchland for school. So pretty. Ugh. So pretty.
Not Pepe at all.
Nobody was asking you.
No one was asking. No one wanted
Okay, we are done. Ooh. We are done with this. And I waited. Let's see. Is my skin like a baby's bottom? 10 out of 10 would recommend. But the last thing, Carlos. No! Where'd it go? Don't worry, I will wash this off before I put it back on. Supper time. Mwah. Anyway, bye besties and always stay crazy. Bye! I'll get it out. Glasses on. Ow! I'm already so mad. I call this the pancake tower. Oh no! Today I'm gonna be trying glow recipe dupes. So first we got the glow up toner with pictures of the apples on it.